What's up, guys? This is John Page, Millen & Marine, looking at a Excel 1854 F4 shallow water series. Really excited about this one. This one's got the all new 50 Mud Buddy on the back. So you got the 50 EFI, or I should say HDR 5000 EFI, old school Drake camo. We got it upgraded to the 125 gauge aluminum. We got the port side live well. So you got your live well box there. Works great for a cooler. Got dry storage on your starboard side, gun tray coming back around. Got grab rails up top, forward mounted fuel tank, trolling motor wiring already done. Got your LED light bar up front. There's a shot of that deck fill. And of course you got your rod box or gun box on your port side as well. There's a shot of your electrical panel, fuel gauge. And of course it does come with a fishing chair in the back. And we did the bases in the floor. And of course you got one up front for fishing. It's all riding on an aluminum Diamond City trailer. Aluminum wheels, Vortex hubs. Hold up really well. Good looking boat, that old school Drake camo, one of my favorites. Y'all give us a call. Best number 251-937-1380. Thank y'all.